reference for how big this. Andy, I want you to go get close to it so we have a frame of reference.
Here. No. I think we get the idea. Hold on to all my valuables.
Well, that is a fire, my friends.
I have never seen a fire that big before.
Is your stuff literally smoldering?
Dude, no, I'm lighting it so I can put it over my face. Thick grass.
Wow, the grass is on fire.
The grass. Attention, everyone! I am on fire!
I am on fire!
I am on fire! Fire! Fire!
Bro, this is dangerous. There's ash everywhere. Don't get me wet. I want to say it's getting smaller, but I know it's not.
Yeah. Look at it. That's like over here. You can see like too small.
This hurts.
Yes, I am aware. That's epic.
I've been recording video this whole time.
Come over here. You can see like 2 horns coming out of it.
Ah, sweet. That's my dad. Look at it on the screen here.
Yeah. Are you putting this on YouTube?
I will. And you will be on it, and I will tag you.
Ah, okay.
In a Facebook photo.
Okay.
And they will hear all of our inane conversation during it.
Wow, it's actually died down really, really quickly.
Well,
Still immensely hot.
did you see how freaking hot it was burning? This hurts so much. I think my phone is melting.
Well, my leg's starting to feel out there.
I have to back up again.
It needs more stuff. Can't be done yet. See, it's burned down nothing but the skeleton.
Essentially.
But it's still going to go for a while, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think we're probably just going to sit down and enjoy this. I think it's a safe distance. The motor? The motor? Yeah. Okay. This is a black from, I just called the fire. No. You have comments to burn right now? Yes, I registered with my photo.
I said, in case someone calls, just, I said I'd be out here with the water hose, just keeping it down under control.
Which, it's right there.
Now, we're too close to hospital right now, so I called the 500 to the south. What's your first name, sir?
John?
Your last name was?
Right.
W-R?
I figured it's just about a year.
Not this bad, actually.
No, I'm talking about, like, the police. I mean,
Yeah, like I said, not this bad. First time actual police have come.
Well, this was also a really awesome fire.
Yep. And we had permit.
Yeah, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
I told him that I was going to fight it at 9 o'clock, and I'd be out here with the darts and keeping it down.
You want to hold this? I'll spray it.
Okay.
I think it's pretty much okay, under control right now.
Yeah. Andy, can you get that tree back there? Yeah, just like keep spraying it just in case.
Well, the good news is, you know, the spray isn't evaporating, so you can come in anymore.
Yeah.
Tired, left side of the crowd is dropping on it.
Okay, it is turning down.
Oh, that's uncomfortable. You got the lucky... Andy, you got the lucky break. This hose leaks.
You like just missed the fire right there. Barely. This is like a Mario Party.
Hey, Dad. You want to take over for me? You want to take over for me? I'm getting a little moist. And I kind of want to walk around getting a little hot as well.
Coming up, but the dogs are down.
They're coming just to take an eye on it?
Yeah, look at it.
There weren't any tickets or anything, were there?
No.
Let's see if it's a problem.
Which it's not.
Oh, it was all registered there.
My phone is so hot on the backside.
I'm amused that didn't catch.
Well, it's because you were spraying it.
No, that stuff right there.
Oh, that? Yeah, that's weird.
This stuff didn't catch either.
We've been keeping an eye on it,
Yes.
obviously. My problem is I was using that hose. That hose really leaks, so my entire left side is...
Well, my entire friend is because I got this.
Well, yeah, because you were spraying that down to keep yourself from burning.
Well, until I could also breathe.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean. What do you think? Should I stop at 10 minutes or keep going?
I don't know.
Because, I mean, it's pretty burnt down now.
Dude, I totally think we should invite all those.
Oh, yeah, we'll give them some food from the garage and everything. I mean, poor guys had to come up here for nothing. They probably got paid for it.
Well, they're probably the volunteers.
Yeah, they probably are.
Yeah. That's even worse. I mean, whatever they were doing.
They had to stop doing it.
Drop it up onto the wall.
Wow, really?
You should totally get a video of this.
I was going to stop at 10 minutes, but this is hysterical.
Yes, it is.
Your fire is too epic. We must hit it with the van hammer.
Yes, that is the fire truck driving onto the into the yard.
No, that's a truck.
Well, it's a truck, and it's for the fire.
Yeah, it's just a truck.
But it's from the fire department.
So it's not a fire truck. It's
No, it's a truck from the fire department.
a pansy fire truck.
It's a brush fire truck.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Don't say pansy, because they might kick your butt.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a truck.
This is probably the most epic fire we've had so far. This is going to be a long video, I'll tell you what. Doesn't YouTube technically have length?
10 minutes, you can split it up.
Yeah, because it's already at 11:15 for my minutes. Ah, water.
Right.
That's you, Dad.
Now, when it's off, we'll put it up at 5.